All right, good morning. I just wanted to share you some thoughts about branch names in GitHub. Usually, people had master as the main branch that you made production. When something went live and it was ready, then it went to master. But recently, like a year ago, that changed to main. And although it makes a lot of sense and it's a word that means a lot, of course, like it has a, most people know that what it means. It's like the main branch, of course. It's good. It's a good naming. But why should we have another word for something when, yeah, it doesn't make it clear that that's the branch where the production environment lives on? So I thought maybe we should call the branch production or prod, but that's a word also that non-developers often don't understand. They don't know that that means that that is the environment that is live right now. At least a couple, like 5 years ago, I didn't know what that meant. So that's why I was thinking, why don't we just call the branch live? And for development, the same story goes. I think we should have a testing environment. So a lot of people call this branch I've seen in my work either development, develop, dev, staging sometimes, which I think is better, but it's also a word that not a lot of non-developers know. And then we have beta and test. I think sometimes you might need a beta environment, but a beta environment is kind of the same most of the times compared to a test environment. So I would say we should just call it test. So that means we would have basically two branches only. We have live and we have test instead of main, development, and then a lot of other branches. So I think live plus test would be a way better way to call the environment, because then it's way more clear that the live environment is live, the test environment is where you can test, and for example, you can reach it to by going test.coworkserve.com, for example. Makes more sense than staging to me. Most people know this word test, everybody almost, and staging is like a less common word. So yeah, why do you need to have more complicated words for these things? I think we should call it like this. So I'm gonna try it from now on for cowork serve. That's my thoughts of branch names. But I'm curious what you think. Maybe it's not smart to change the convention like that, to divert from the convention so easily. Maybe it also has some disadvantages. What do you think?